Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Free Fire Google account permanently. So guys, for that you have to go to your Google app. Now go to your profile. Tap on manage your Google account. Go to security. Swipe down. Now tap on see all connections. And then here you can see your Free Fire account. Then you have to click on Free Fire. Suppose I am selecting this one, but you have to select your Free Fire. And after that you have to tap on delete all connections you have with Free Fire. And then you have to just tap on confirm, and then your Free Fire account will be deleted. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.